Okay. And I'm not good on camera at all. That's why I never come on. But I'm just excited that this trust works in Canada. And John did help every step of the way because 9 lawyers refused to sign the transfer document. So it was quite tedious, but then now it's like a clear path. Like it's I thought because I'm a realtor, I thought all land transfers had to go through a lawyer or notary. And at the very end, it was actually a lawyer that told me he couldn't sign it, but he said, "Why don't you just take it to a commissioner's office and get them to sign it?" So that's what ended up getting it through at the very end.
It's funny they put up so many roadblocks the whole way, and then they sort of let you know once they have tested you to the limit and have accepted you, then they're like, "Oh, hey, did you know you could do it this way?" You're like, "Oh, well, I would have known if you told me." So, but they don't make it easy. So because it's like I think the part that people skip is like, "Oh, how you going to fit that cable through the eye of the needle?" It's like, well, how are you going to get through the eye of the needle? You see what I'm saying? Don't bring your cable. You got to fit through there too.
Yeah.
And so they make it hard, and I think that's what Amy's talking about. But she is uh, going to get a time. Wow. Talk about just you know I don't know what the right. I was saying Joan of Arc, but I mean, talk about you want a matriarch to like. We have some great women doing this work, and this is one in Canada. Jamie has a family, and is doing this not just for herself, is doing it for her loved ones, and has success, and it really just would just if they said no, she'd be like, okay, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. And did I don't know if it's out there or not, but I did get the extra mentoring package with John, and that helped tremendously to even decode between the countries. So thank you for all the one-on-ones and mentoring that and the people in the classroom were great too. Like it was, it's like a group effort. So
It is. It really is. People come in here and they're like, they've been swinging the sword and their arm is tired, but they're still swinging. It's like, I'm a yogi. I'm going to swing this forever, you know, but they get in here, which is usually the pen, and they get in and they're like, wait, there are actually other people in here that actually care, like that might help with stuff. It's totally a different environment, and it's wonderful.
Yeah.
I have the same too, because one thing of doing this work for so many years, being just like the node where people got their information, I hated that. So I really love this, that the whole each individual can interact with each individual and find so much wealth and knowledge just in past information in there, but also right in the present. Get in there and deal with each other and get questions answered, and how do I do this, because we're all living in different places and have different situations. So
Yeah.
it's great to have everyone else's help. I'm glad that's helping everyone, really.
Yeah. And it just the 4 bank accounts are open, the property's in trust, and it works in Canada.
So happy for you. It's really wonderful to get to the other side of this. It is like that until you realize, and she accepted this, Jamie. This is way beyond what she's saying, because when we started, Jamie got the concierge program. Like, she paid extra for my time and all this stuff a couple times. Like, she really supported the school. I've done my best to support her and so on. But she unlocked Canada. You know what I'm saying? No one else has ever done that. Like, one person did, right? I helped him do it, and I said, "Listen, if you do it, you got to help others." And he did. He just disappeared and so on. But Jamie took that to heart and really helps people in the classroom. Like, uh, not only is she doggedly done this, pursued it, never gave up, I'm going to make this happen, and did it, but now she's like, takes her responsibility seriously, and now other people from Canada have come into the classroom and so on, and she's helping them in there. So I just think That's really shows the caliber of God sending the right individual to get this done so that, others can be helped. And Jamie's like, yes, we have some other amazing, great students, but I mean, Jamie's as good as anyone has ever gotten because she's been successful and is helping others. There are other people in there too doing the same. Like Alan, for example. Alan's like, hey, do this. I mean, people really care about each other there and realize time is of the essence. And if they have any way they can help, they're like, oh, try this. Really has great meaning for everyone. Like life is short and our time is short, and we want to spend it with our family, not doing this stuff. Uh, you got Benjamin there. You want to spend your evening with him, and this allows the structure so nobody's going to come in and create some giant problem with your assets, your money, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
You're gonna have your evening with your son, which that's the important thing, to me is this is about families and loved ones and, keeping them and the whole family, structure okay with God and sleeping well at night and removing that anxiety and mind control and all that stuff has great health benefits for people, not just financial, but the health and wealth of your family and to be loving to
The,
each other.
the spiritual aspect of this is what's most important to me. Like when you were speaking on the Sundays on the Jesus Christ Trust, that's the big why of doing all this. And plus, I do believe that spiritual protection aspect when everyone signed up with the trust.
Yes.
And I feel, I'm homeschooling my son, and one of the books he's reading is your Game of Souls book right now. And I, for me, that security. That's the biggest thing for me. Outside of the financial part, it's feeling spiritually protected. And so much, I'll say one more thing because I know it's close, but like the hive mind that you were talking about, there's so many things that you've said that seem so unbelievable. But then, I experience it and it's like, oh, John's right. That so that's
We
the
we
spirit.
all we're all walking the same spiritual path. Yes, we're in a physical different location and we may be in a different body and stuff, but no, God is fair and gives us basically the same test. And so whoever is able to do the test and pass it quicker can turn around and be like, hey everybody. And that's what I'm saying is great about Jamie, because she recognizes the spiritual aspect and she's willing to do what she said and turn around and say, hey, anybody else in Canada need some help? And she's here helping them. You really, once you see it all for what it really is, and you're like getting to the other side, you're like, whoa, God loves me and is watching over me. And I can help financially and all this other stuff. Start to sleep better at night, less anxiety, and you can really put more care and love into your loved ones, like, Benjamin and the rest of your family and so on. I think that's why I do this work. My family got wrecked and destroyed in foreclosure in the crash of '08. Like, happened to so many people, Tim, and and so all I care about is the roof over the head stays, the family's cool, the children are sleeping at night, nobody's stealing money while you're asleep. All that stuff is what I care about. Why I do this work. And to have you come on and say, it's working in Canada, it's working great up there. I mean, thank
Yes.
God. God sent you.
Yeah.
Mutual admiration society here because there's so few of us. Tim
Yeah.
and Baby and I. There. Yes, there are hundreds in this school and so on, but compared to the rest of society, very few people. So,
Yeah.
like I say, we're like an individual foxholes. Like, hey, how you doing over there? So to have us come together in the classroom and stuff is really a lot of healing goes on in there, not just practical advancement of all this stuff that we're doing, but the practical healing of, oh, I know the truth. This is working for other people. I'm not like so unique that I'm the only one. Great, other people like the truth and like God, and like it's a healing process. I think for people too, me as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Jamie, for coming on and sharing. Thank you for helping others. Thanks for posting your proof. Uh,
Yes.
I really appreciate it. God watch over your family up there in Canada. Continue to do so. Benjamin, anytime you want to get on and talk and be the expert, we're all ears everywhere. Not tonight, whenever you want to. No rush. Could be 10 years from now or whatever. Anytime you want, right? Okay.
Gotta be quick.
No,
Really, like now or never, Ben. Go say something.
no rush. No rush. Another night if you want.
You can come on anytime. We're here every week.
Yeah.
I like the part when you went to India in your book.
It is interesting over there. I've just come back again, and some other people went with me this time and had, important experiences too. And that's where my guru is from, India. So he come to America to find me. So uh, I was quite taken with that myself. So I understand. I'm glad that came through in my writing. So good.
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad I got your interest. We'll keep going and we'll keep it alive. If you want to come on here anytime, Benjamin, Jamie, anytime, we'd love to have you. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Okay. Have a good night, you all.
Now I don't know how to get out. Let's see.
God bless.